Hello guys, today we are going to study class 9 science chapter 1 matters in our surrounding. Which kind of molecules of substance contains more inner space? Gaseous form has more interior space. A process of condensation means what? Physical change is the act of condensation. What is the state of matter in normal condition? The state of matter has three conditions: liquid, solid, gas. One solid substance melt at 20 degrees Celsius. Convert this into Kelvin. 20 degree Celsius plus 273 degree, which equals to 293 Kelvin. The phenomena of the intermingling of two different matter particles is called transmission. Fluidity is called the conductivity of a substance. Some solid substance gets converted to gaseous form without converting into liquid state after heating is due to sublimation process. 20 degrees Celsius is equals to 293 Kelvin. The SI unit of density is kilogram meter cube. We feel cooling by putting acetone spirit in our farm. Any liquid substance keeping in open vessel under low temperature and below its melting point, evaporation process takes place. Solid carbon dioxide can be stored at high temperature and it is a sublimating substance. By which characteristics of a substance or solid maintains size and shape, hardness. Matter particles attract each other because latent heat of attraction holds particles with each other. 1 atmospheric pressure is equals to 1.01 into 10 raised to 5 pascals. What is the SI unit of temperature? Kelvin. Which liquid is used as nail polish remover? Acetone. Define melting point. The temperature at which a solid substance melts and converts into liquid form is called a melting point. Define boiling point. The temperature at which the liquid form converts into gaseous form is called boiling point. Convert the given temperature into Kelvin. Minus 173 degrees Celsius. Minus 173 degrees Celsius plus 273 degree is equals to 100 Kelvin. What is amount of water vapor remaining in the air known as humidity? What is the unit to measure volume? Liter. What is the equation to find out density? Mass upon volume. What is the melting point of ice? 273.16 Kelvin. Which gas is used to cook food in house? LPG. What is the thing that holds mass and space? Matter. Which of the 5 elements of the substance is appropriate? Air, fire and water. All of the given. What is the SI unit of mass? Kilogram. The phenomena of the release of two different types of matter particles into each other is called diffusion. As the temperature rises, kinetic energy of matter particles increases. Any substance can have which of the following type? Solid, liquid, gas, all of the given. What do we call the state of matter contains a certain volume, size and absolute boundary? Solid state. Solid substances are hard. Fluids have which of the following qualities? Carrying out, diffusion, liquidity, all of them. What is the force per unit size of an object? Density. The solid substance at which temperature gets melted and converted into liquid state is called melting point. Which of the following is a spontaneous substance? Ammonia. What is dry ice? Solid CO2 is dry ice. What is the SI unit of pressure? Pascal. 1 atmosphere is equals to 1.01 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. 460 Kelvin temperature is equals to 187 degrees Celsius temperature. At a lower temperature than the boiling points, liquid gets converted into vapor is known as evaporation. What is required for aquatic plants and animals? O2 and CO2 both. Which force exists between matter particles? Intermolecular attraction force. The characteristics of a substance by which it holds shape and size is called toughness. Which object is not liquid? Wood. Which of the following substance is compressible? Air. What is the unit of density? Kilogram per meter cube or G per centimeter cube. During the process of melting, the temperature remains constant. What is the state of water at 270 degrees C? 270 degrees Celsius, gas. What type of clothes should we wear in summer? Cotton. What is the process of conversion of a gas into liquid known as boiling? During melting, solid converts into liquid. Ice floats on water because its density is less than water. At which temperature is the density of water maximum? 0 degrees Celsius. Solid and liquids dissolve in water because water is the universal solvent. What is the boiling point of a liquid under decrease in the atmospheric pressure? No change. What will be the boiling point of a water at 1 atmospheric pressure? 100 degrees Celsius. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. What will be the state of water at 298 Kelvin? Liquid. What is the correct formula for finding density? Mass upon volume. What is the energy required for converting 1 kg of solid into liquid at the temperature equal to its boiling point called? Latent heat of fusion. Due to increase in the wind speed, the molecules of water vapors escape along with the wind. Due to evaporation, what occurs? Cooling. What is the SI unit of volume? Meter cube. Which of the following substance does not show fixed temperature and shape? N2. What is used as fuel in vehicles? CNG. Give reason for the following observations. Naphthalene balls disappears with time without leaving any solid. At room temperature, naphthalene balls undergo sublimation wherein they directly get converted from a solid into a gaseous state without having to undergo the intermediate state, that is the liquid state. What is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius? Liquid state. What is the physical state of water at 0 degrees Celsius? Solid state or liquid? State of transition. What is the physical state of water at 100 degrees Celsius? Liquid or gaseous? State of transition. Explain the following. Sublimation, the change of state directly from solid to gas without changing into liquid state, or vice versa, is called sublimation. Explain the following. Boiling point. The temperature at which the liquid form converts into gaseous form is called boiling point. What is the physical state of water at 25 degrees Celsius, 250 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Celsius? At 250 degrees Celsius it is in gaseous states, and at 100 degrees Celsius it is in liquid states and in water, transmission form. Why are we able to sip hot tea or milk faster from a saucer rather than a cup? A saucer has a larger surface area than a cup, which promotes quicker evaporation. Hence, the tea or milk in a saucer cools down faster.